If you are looking for the best professional chainsaws, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Husqvarna 455 Rancher 20 inches gas-powered chainsaw. The Husqvarna 455 Rancher is a gas-powered chainsaw with X-Torque engine technology which the manufacturer claims reduces fuel consumption by 20% and emissions by around 60%. The saw also comes with a replaceable air filter. But is it any good? One good thing about the saw is that it's relatively straightforward to set up. This is good news for professionals who just want to be able to take the saw out of its box and start using it 10 minutes later without having to worry about setup. Number 2. Hitachi CS51 EAP 20 inches rear handle chainsaw. The Hitachi CS51 EAP chainsaw is a commercial-grade chainsaw designed to provide a powerful cutting action while minimizing fuel consumption. The saw comes with an auto-return choke for easy startup, a decompression valve, and a primer bulb. The oiler is automatic or adjustable, allowing the user to determine the amount of oil going to the chain. The distinct advantage of the CS51 EAP for professional users is the value for money it offers. It is around 20% cheaper, in general, than the 455, and offers a high build quality for the price. Number 3. Echo CS 590 20 inches Timber Wolf Chainsaw. The Echo CS 590 is marketed as a timber saw. It's of simple construction, powered by a 59.8cc professional-grade, two-stroke engine and operating under 20 bars of pressure. The CS 590 differs from its bigger brother, the CS 600, in that it has a plastic handle rather than a metal one, a non-replaceable roller nose and a clutch drum with an attached sprocket, rather than a replaceable rim sprocket. As a result, one might expect that longevity on the unit would be an issue. Number 4. Greenworks 16-inch 40 volts cordless chainsaw. The Greenworks 16-inch 40 volts cordless chainsaw is surprisingly powerful for how lightweight it is. It is a cutting powerhouse for professionals. It is the ultimate battery-powered equipment. The powerful 40-volt lithium-ion battery system is the industry's largest, and powers over 25 tools. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery uses cutting-edge technology to deliver maximum power. The electric start is easy to use and it is ultra-quiet with minimal vibration. The brushless motor generates less vibration for stress-free operation. Also, the brushless motor gives up to 30% more torque for superior cutting. Number 5. Black Plus Decker 40 volts max cordless chainsaw. The Black Plus Decker LCS 1240 offers the convenience of cordless use with the needed power and performance for cutting through live logs and dry wood. You will appreciate the convenience of the tool-less chain tension feature for quick and easy chain adjustments during the job. It is the best-selling chainsaw in the market. All you have to do is simply rotate the inner dial to unlock the bar, and turn the outer dial to adjust the chain's tension for optimum cutting efficiency. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.